Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Monday, September 18th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for joining in this morning. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you'll see the futures today are trading higher by 3.25 points. Right now, sitting at around the 2,500 and a quarter, 2,500 and a half level. All in all, futures have trickled down a little bit, putting in a little bit of a high around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. You see they have rolled over a little bit, but still positive ahead of the opening bell today. We have some stocks in the news. That's where we're going to focus our attention. Again, today is a Monday. Mondays are normally lighter volume, a little bit of a quieter session, but nonetheless, we have lots of names out here that are moving around. First one I'm going to start off the day with is NVIDIA. This is simply on the back of a boosted target by Bank of America. It looks like NVIDIA getting a target raise here. Stock closed at 180.10, now trading at 184.30. On Friday, NVIDIA had a huge pop to break out of a big trading range. So NVIDIA is still very strong on the charts and getting a target raise today by Bank of America. Looks like we have another upgrade here today. BP, which is British Petroleum. You'll see that had a started the day out pretty strong this morning, has rolled over basically back to the flat line, so we're not going to make too much out of that. Now in takeover world, we have a takeover coming here. It looks like OA is being taken over by Northrop Grumman. Looks like, I'm not sure the exact price, but I would think around 132 a share. So this stock, which makes missiles, this is Orbital, they are being bought out by Northrop Grumman. And again, that's a huge premium. Stock closed on Friday at 110, now trading at 132. So if you own it, trail the stop loss or take your profit. If you don't own it, leave it alone at this stage of the game. You cannot chase it up here. There's really not much to do at this stage. So again, we'll see how that plays out. Looks like we have another takeover out here. SSNI is the ticker symbol here. Looks like Silver Springs Networks being bought out, I believe, by ITRI for 16 and a quarter. So this stock is being bought out today. Nice pop there for Silver Springs. And again, if you own it, trail the stop loss or take your profit. If you don't own it, leave it alone. There's nothing to do at this stage of the game. Teva Pharmaceuticals is in the news today. Teva today trading at around 18.21, closed at 18.10. It looks like they're going to be selling a health business for about a woman's health business for about $1.38 million dollars, or billion dollars rather. So again, that's a nice little sale there for Teva. We'll see if it does move the needle. That stock has been pulling back over the last 4 days, breaking out of a little bit of a bearish range though, but now pulling back. So we'll see how that plays out today. But Teva in the news after they are selling a woman's health business for about $1.38 billion. Let's take a look at a couple more upgrades and downgrades out here. Applied Materials, AMAT. Looks like that was upgraded this morning. Stock is trading at 47.84, closed at 47.12. So nice little uptick. I don't see a whole lot of upside from here. Nothing wrong with the stock. It's just a little bit overbought. ASML also was upgraded today. That's trading at 164.25, closed at 162.30. And it looks like Cirrus Logic was downgraded, CRUS, being downgraded today. That stock closed at 57.85, now trading at 55.70. That'll be on my radar today if it does trade a little bit lower. So again, we'll be watching this one pretty closely. Cirrus Logic could be in play today. I'm just looking at levels here. I'm thinking right around the 55 area. I start to get a little bit interested in that name. So we'll be looking at that one when and if it trades a little bit lower. Let's take a look at CERN, C-E-R-N, Cerner. What you're going to see here is it looks like you had the COO sell $7 million worth of stock. So you got a little bit of insider selling there. You also have some insider selling, I believe, on ADI. They sold, looks like you had a director sell $21 million worth of stock, or $2.1 million worth of stock. So again, that should be on everybody's watch list as well. But that's a good sell if you ask me anyway. So we'll see how that plays out. All in all, we have gold down today about $10. So gold is getting hit. If you take a look at the GLD, see that's trading at 124.66. This closed at 125.53 on Friday. GLD this morning definitely getting hit a little bit, and I believe it is trading below its daily chart 20 moving average now. You can see the 20 MA at around 125.03. So price is below that level this morning. And again, spot gold down $10.20 to $1,315 an ounce. We have crude oil this morning trading higher by 30 cents. So again, crude catching another bid. Crude is above $50 now, trading at $50.20 a barrel. So that's a really good move. Let's take a look at the USO, which is a good oil ETF. You'll see that's trading at $10.14. Just down a little bit from its close on Friday. So again, crude oil catching a little bit of a pop this morning. Gold is down this morning. Gold miners are also a little on the weaker side as well. So gold miners continuing to fall a little bit lower. And again, I'll give out my gold mining levels in the intraday stock chat room, where I think we're going to have good support. And again, we picked the gold mining top really to the day. So again, we'll see how this all plays out going forward. And that's what we have on a Monday. Again, lighter volume. Later this week, you're going to get on Wednesday the FOMC announcement. The Fed will make their statement, their policy statement. We'll see if they actually make any moves in interest rates. And then we have some bigger earning plays. I think FedEx reports earnings later this week. So we got a lot on the docket. And once again, if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. We had a great week last week. Going to look to keep that going this week. And again, we got lots of moving parts out here this morning ahead of the opening bell. With that being said, everybody, I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.